Hi, love. Our day is finally here. The day we prayed for, dreamed of, and held close to our hearts. Today is the beginning of a journey that will change our lives forever. Hindi ko maiwasang mapaluha sa sobrang saya kasi hanggang ngayon, pinasasalamatan ko pa rin si Lord. He didn't just bring you into my life. He brought me the one my heart has been waiting for. Look around, my love. Feel the warmth, the blessings, and the hearts rooting for us. And hold on tight, because in just a few moments, it will just be you and me standing here. It will be you and me choosing each other every single day habang buhay.
Naway ang inyong pagmamahalan hindi lamang sa kaligayahan, bagkus sa mga pagsubok, naging isa kayo at tapat. At mas lalong pinalalim ang inyong relasyon sa panahon na sinusubok kayo ng hamon.
I never thought someone would be patient enough, brave enough, and loving enough to walk through life with me. I want to go through every phase with you. The hard moments we'll pray through. The quiet wins only we will notice. And the blessings we'll earn side by side. Because none of it means anything if I can turn to you, my love, and softly say, look how far we've come. Look at the life we're building together. Now I know, from this day forward, I will be bringing home with me wherever I go. Because home will always be you. Love you.
Coats wrapped in the hallway. Night out, I'm wrecked. It's been a long day. Tucked in, green wind, put my head down.
My love, when the pandemic hit, I prayed to the Lord and said, let your will be done. I told him that if I were meant to stay single in this lifetime, I would embrace the path and focus on being the best daughter and tita I could be. But I also whispered another prayer. Lord, if you do have someone for me, I hope he's family-oriented, kind, straightforward, and good-looking.
Best friend, safe space, lover part. Partner in crime. At higit sa lahat, forever kachismisan. Kilala lang yan sa mga nakita ko sa'yo, kaya kita minamahal. Ang galing, no? Simula nung niligawan kita, naramdaman kong ikaw na nga. And yun nga, tama nga, ikaw nga. Swerte ko na nakilala kita. Nakahanap ako ng taong magmamahal sa akin ng lubos. Nag-inspire sa akin, respect and support. Nag-aalaga sa akin pag may sakit ako. At nagli-lift pag nadadown ako. Kasama ka, alam kong hindi na ako mag-iisa sa lahat ng dadaanan ko sa buhay. And I'm very glad na ikaw yun. Siyempre, gusto kong i-thank you. Ito na yung pinalaki niyo. Sana proud kayo sa akin.
Bakit umiyak?
Ba? Ba't ka naiyak? Yan, gusto ko mapala ako ng iyak.
Mabait na asawa, maging mabuting ina pagdating ng araw.
Sana ikay maging mabait na asawa, matapat at mapangunawa.
Thank you.
Di ako magiging ganito kung di dahil sa inyo. Thank you. I love you both.
So we build a house, make it a home, and it grows as we grow. Yeah, it shows. Yeah, we build a home, away from it all. At least that's what I hope for. And now I'm at your front door. This is unfamiliar. How I never get bored with you. Yeah, I just want it all with you.
Pista! Tuloy lang ah! Kaiiyak ko!
Lead the way, oh, oh, oh.
Thank you girls and Richard for being here and for saying yes na kasama ko kayo ngayon.
Kaya kayo nandito kasi syempre special kayo sa akin. Kayo, lahat.
Turn down the lights.
Jose Arosa.
Bea!
Johan.
Dance, we sing.
And yours!
Arvin. Ganda.
Uy, may initials ko pa.
We dance, we sing. We live, we love tonight.
Thank you, Gia. Welcome.
Years na yung album na yun, grabe.
Talaga?
Tanda na natin.
Oh my God. Nataw tayo ng ganun.
Know the signs.
Let's go. Game.
Sheets of black.
Oh, nice.
Hi love! Sorry hindi ko kaya yung Daiso na gusto mo eh. I hope you like my little gift. Selfie tayo mamaya.
From this day forward, I will always be your calm, your confidence, and your biggest believer. P.S. Open it. Love, Mrs. Larissa Andaya. Ganda.
Thank you love. See you later.
Larissa, thank you. Thank you, love.
Run from the dawn before it knows we're gone.
Woo!
We sing, we live, we love tonight.
Ulit ako.